Hello, I am your host, K.I. Lee, short Kai Lee. I have the honor to explain you how to validate the course content against the learning objectives you defined earlier with AI support in the infoWERK LMS. After the contents for your training were done, you can check if these meet the requirements of the learning objectives you defined earlier at any point of the creation of your course. Verify learning objectives to ensure your content meets the defined objectives. Select Edit. Select Check the module content against the learning objectives. The system now shows whether a learning objective is covered by the training or not. This is it for this tutorial. Enjoy watching the others too. I hope I could make you curious to work with me, to let me assist you in creating your own courses in the infoWERK LMS. Feel free to get in contact. We'll answer your questions reliably.